back to the second section of this class. Okay, I think what I'm just going to do now, we've been able to put some bars, all the horizontal bars. So let's see what we're going to do for the other side of the bar now. Okay, before I will do that, you can see, let me show you something here. Like this bar now, all these bars that you're seeing, they are all top bars, But if you check the color here, it's showing bottom. So what I'm just going to do here, it's showing bottom here. So I'll go and create go to my annotate. Okay, come here. Come to this place. Manage dimension style. Where is this? This bottom now. So manage dimension style. Create new. Call this top bar. The one I just want to change here, just come here. Change this to top. So let's go. So let me set this current. Alright, go back to my own. I'm going to select this. Select this. Now come here and go and choose that updated top bar. I think it should be here. Updated, where is it? Choose this. Side here, okay. Now let's go. There's it. So let's go and see if it has actually changed. No, not this one. Updated top bar. Okay, there's it. So you can see everything here has changed to top. Everything has changed to top. So let's go. So what we're going to do next now is let's draw our bar. So you go again. I can now take this one off. Let me see for now. Let me take this one off. And so do your Excel again. You understand? Do your Excel again. Your Excel again and let's do it this way. Excel 9. Good. So let me offset this. What I'm gonna do, click on it, go to your offset, go to offset, type in the value. The value here is I think the value, this line is not supposed to be here. Type in Excel again. Let's start with this. This is the first line there. Good. So click on this, go to offset. I have a 4725. What to offset now? Offset 4725 divided by 3. Divided by 3. Divided by 3. Good. Let's see. Think from here now. I'll have escape again. Click on it. Go to offset. 3 5 2 5 slash 3. Good. 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 Then I click on this one also. Go to offset. Type in could I just offset this 120? What I have there. But just check what you have in your own. I will escape again. Offset this to 2700. No. 2700 divided by 3. Good. 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 Let's go for this. Offset. Yeah, I have a 2025 slash 3. Good. Then I also have this. So I will skip also. I'll click on this. Offset. And the 3150 slash 3. Good. Good. And I think the last one. Click on this. Go to offset. 3075 slash 3. Okay. Let's do the last one. Good. So what I'm going to be doing now, just watch. Just come here. Come to my bottom bar. Bottom reinforcement here. Here I will have my polyline. Okay, let's see. I have 120. Okay, just like we were doing the other one. So this one down. This can actually run from here. You know. Can actually run this. Sorry guys, I don't know what's going on here. Okay. This one run inside it. Still. Okay, let me just drop this one. Okay, let me just drop it in. Then let this one. Can this one just touch from here? See, my mouse is having an issue. I want to fix that. Ah, okay. Can this actually run like this? Let's go again.